Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of knowledge, inspiration, and discovery? Welcome to Wne Wne, your ultimate destination to explore top 11 how to manage lifestyle, habits, ways and more. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you're missing out on a world of incredible content and endless possibilities. At Wne Wne, we're passionate about lifestyle, habits, ways and more. We strive to provide you with the most valuable and engaging content to enhance your productivity. Hi there! At Wne Wne, we are thrilled to be your guide on this incredible journey. On our channel, you'll find a diverse range of videos covering everything from how to be productive. Whether you're trying to explore productive ways or simply curious about top 11 how to content, Wne Wne is here to inspire, educate, and entertain. And that's just the beginning. We have so much more in store for you. So, what are you waiting for? Join our ever-growing community subscribers and become a part of the Wne Wne family. Subscribe now and stay up to date with our latest videos. Follow us. Don't miss out on all the incredible content we have in store for you. Subscribe now and join us on this remarkable adventure. Subscribe and let the journey begin.